with the others. Ooh, I photos, those aren't when you really love me, but those that were really far away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I usually be doing like cleaning videos and I haven't done those in a long time because I want to show you guys like our space where we live now, our new place, and just want to show you like how we decorated, how we fixed it really nice and stuff like that. So I'm excited. I haven't showed you guys. I've been trying to see like when I did this video, so finally I'm gonna do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And let's just begin. So the entrance is right here. This is the door, and then next to the door when we come in, I have my little coffee bar slash like pantry. Like in the bottom is where I have like food, things like that. But I wanted to put this up here because I'm like, I need to have a coffee bar because I love coffee. So, and also if you hear noises because I have the fan on. But yeah guys, like I literally love this right here. It says count your blessings. I think that's so pretty and so nice. Like it kind of gives me like farm theme vibes, which I really love. Yeah, and then I have like a little plant, literally a butterfly plant, which I got in TJ Maxx, which I love. This plant is fake, you know. And then I also have my coffee, my Keurig. I put a little bit of fall decor. Of course, can't beat my Cafe Bustelo. I got these on Amazon. Amazing. It came with two. Love them. It's so nice. So like back there, I have like sugar, my cinnamon, pumpkin pie, cinnamon, all that good stuff. I also have the sides where it has my syrups and all those good stuff. And then down here, like literally guys, I have like food, you know, like my pantry, which I really have to organize this. Like every time I open this drawer, it drives me nuts guys, because I'm just like, oh my god, like I'm a neat freak and I have to have things organized. So I really want to go get some little clear shelves from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, look at me, from Target, and like really organize my food. So I'm gonna do that. But I use this as a pantry, things like that. When you have a small place, you have to compromise and figure things out. So that's what I use that for. Then here I have like a little storage space, so I have more like toilet paper, things like that. And here we have, of course, I have my teas. We have like scissors, my doggy bags. Of course, we use this mainly for like medicines, candles, batteries. But I do want to fix it and organize it and just have it as my tea drawer and all that good stuff. So it's in process. So yeah, let's move on. Here, of course, I can't forget my dog's bowl. So I bought her this smaller one so we have more space. The other one was a little bit more bulky, but I really love this one. It's so much nicer. I got it in TJ Maxx. It was very affordable. So I will try to link everything in the bottom for you guys, so you guys can kind of check it out if you're interested in anything. Yeah, guys, and then over here, like coming north towards the door, I have this little rack that I got Five and Below. Excuse my dog's leash. But yeah, here we just have the shoes that we wear basically on a daily basis, which is, you know, for work, things like that. My husband has a whole bunch of collection of sneakers. You have to be very creative when you are in a smaller place. Imagine we came from like a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and you know, we had so much things and we had to get rid of so many things. And it's like, oh god, but it's so liberating when you're living in a small place, because it's just, you don't have so much. All you need is really your essentials and the things that you need. In this world and society, we want bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and bigger is not always what we really truly need. So yeah, that's my husband's bag for work. He has all his essential things in there. There's all the sneakers. I got that little, this right here, I got it in Five and Below, $5. You can't beat that, so check that out. And then of course, moving here, this is my husband's section. As you can see, he got the TV to play Xbox. Those drawers, he puts his clothes. And of course, he has his computer here, his Mac, where he plays around and does what he has to do, his headphones. Then we have up here, we added this little shelf, which I really love. And we just added some of his things because I wanted to have a space that is also for him as well. Then we put our wedding photo up there. We love Jack as well, so we put our calendar there. And of course, next to that is our dog. We can't forget her. So she has her own little section there. She sleeps there. In a small place, you always want her to have her own little section. Like I do want to get like on the wall right here, I want to put like a little picture of her and just like make it her own little special little spot. So I really like that. So let's not go into the living room yet, and let's continue over here. So here's the fridge. We love this fridge. These fridges are very expensive, but I found them literally at Marketplace, and it's small, but it's perfect for us. It fits everything that we need. Let me show you inside. It just fits, you know, everything that we like, that we need. Fruits, vegetables, the freezer as well. We put water in there to keep everything freeze, but it's just, we're on a journey of, dieting, so we don't really have a lot of like meats and things like that. And then on the top, I kind of have this little shelf where I put cereal. I have our vitamins and things like that. I have that is hiding back there, the pumpkin spice harvest little thing, which I really, really love. And it's just amazing. It just works for us. So moving along, before I show you the bathroom, here is our kitchen. Already decorated for fall and Thanksgiving. I didn't really want to decorate for Halloween this year. I just wanted to do it, for fall and Thanksgiving. And it's just, nicer. But yeah, here we have our, we call it, our counters. We have here, I have this mat that I found, which I really, really love, TJ Maxx. And I just love the way everything is. It's just, we have our air fryer right here, which is perfect. We use it as an oven. We use it as everything. Our electrical little stove is everything is in our, you can have anything, everything is like just like we have everything that a place we will have in a regular big place. It's just smaller and more compatible, but it's perfect for us. It's just me and my husband. We don't have any children yet, so we can we're just taking this opportunity to save money and do the things that we have to do, and we're just so blessed and thankful for the opportunity. Of course, here I have this trash that we got in like a garage sale, I think it was, and it's like an expensive one, but I guess I only got it for 20 bucks because it was a dent. I was like, whether it has a dent or not, we'll take it. And then back there I have my makeup stuff, all that is makeup, and I just like, I don't have nowhere to put it, so I'm just like, I don't want to get rid of it. So then remember I was telling you I have another one of these, and this one I just use my plates that we use like basically every day when we're eating and things like that, in our cups. And we have olive oil, all my seasonings back there, of course pumpkin spice, which I really, really love. I love that as well. And of course the mat that matches with it, I really love. So the sink is small, but it's perfect for us. And here we have plans of putting like farm theme shelving, so we are working on that, so that will be soon. I will always give you guys an update on that as well. Then we're gonna move here, and here's our dining table. We had this dining table in our other house as well. It turns into a bigger one. It opens up to like fit like probably eight, wait, let me see, 3, 6, 7, like, yeah, 8 people could fit in this table. So I really, really love this table, and I did not want to like give it away to get a smaller one, so it was perfect. It fit perfect in this area. So yeah, that's why we kept it. I really love it so much, but it went perfect here. I also put our little decorations that we had in the other place. I really love how everything just flows. Is really nice. And we haven't lost like the things that we like in decorations. We also have a fish tank, which we have to clean out and put new fishes, because we started having fishes and then they passed away. So I was like, oh darn it. So we have to get that. I like to have wanted in this place to really have more plants and all these things, like really look at green and nice and just very open and airy. In this section we have, of course, water. There's nowhere else to put it, so we put it there, or we put it in the fridge. And then of course my dog's food. Yeah, fun fact, we had to literally take her to the vet because she wasn't doing good with certain foods. And just realize how much foods that she was eating that are really not good for dogs, guys. Like, be very aware of the things that you feed your dog. Like, some of this dog food is not healthy for our dogs, and it makes our dog very, very sick. If you want, I can also put a list down below of foods that the vet told us that we should not be giving our dog. And ever since we bought this one, even though it's like a $90 bag, but hey, for my dog, everything, she hasn't thrown up anything. Like, she's been good, she's been losing weight, all these good things. So please make sure to give your dogs the proper food that they need. And of course we have that little switch there where we put our chargers. Right now I'm charging my laptop. Also, like this piece I put here, just a candle, 2 candles for fall. I think it's very nice and very fall, and it just looks really nice and airy. But it's simple, it's not like clutter anywhere, anything like that. Yes, you have to kind of find areas where you can just like put knickknacks and stuff like that, but being in a smaller place, I try to not, it makes you not buy things that you really don't need. You just go and buy the things that you actually really need. So this is the little dining room area, which let me show a little farther, which I think is really, really nice. Perfect. See, really nice. And of course that sign I love, I made that myself. It says, whether you come in to visit or just to rest, when you enter our home, may you be blessed. I solely believe in that. When you enter someone's house, you want to be feeling blessed. You want to feel their energy, and how they manifest God in their life. So that's very important. This section right here, we have these that we bought as well to match our sofas. Perfect. This is where my husband's clothes mainly is as well. He has a lot of things, guys. Like, it was so hard to get him to get rid of things because he was just like He didn't want to. I'm like, babe, we have to get rid of things. I got rid of like majority of my clothes, guys. Like I just gave it away, donated. My husband was a little bit hard on the side. He has jerseys galore, and I'm like, babe, you barely even wear these jerseys, but he collects jerseys because he likes soccer, so I can understand that. And then I have the ones in the bottom. These four right here are mine because I have my stuff for my business, my lashes, my stuff to weigh it, all that stuff. And then here's all my Bible journaling things where, my Bible, my pens, and then down here are like electronical things, my tripod, stuff like that. But the rest are all clothes. My husband, of course, these are my journals when I'm doing bullet journal, my pens, that's my tablet, and also the keyboard and my printer. And then over here, these are my drawers that I got from Michael's, which I really, really loved. And as you guys see my other videos, you'll see that in my other place, I had my own beauty room. So I had my own space to film and all that, but I don't have a beauty room anymore being in this place. So I had to really, really, really compromise and figure ways to kind of be creative in filming here. So it's really, really hard for me, that part, to kind of find where I can film and be like aesthetic-y for you guys. So it's really hard. I'm still working on that. But here we just have basically on the top, I just have my perfumes, my necklaces, his colognes, most of his colognes because he has a whole bunch. And then just the things that I normally like, my skincare, his skincare, his stuff, journals and stuff are just hidden in there. And then here we have the same thing, another shelf, which I really love. And this is a picture of us. And in the back has all his colognes. So this is what this looks like. And it's really, really nice. I love it. It's good for us. I literally changed it because before it was on the other side. But me, I like to change things around. I'm going to move into the living room area. So right here, as you can see, this is our TV. And the entertainment center, that's what I'm saying, you have to be creative. I use it as my dresser. So there I have pictures to kind of make it think that there's nothing there, but in the back there's these little baskets that I got on Dollar Tree, and I just have my clothes in there. I have my pajamas, I have my underwears, my daily clothes. All this is my clothes right here. So I mean, we gotta multi-purpose and use things for multiple use because it is a small place. And we do have my big old TV. So yeah, I have a little bit of decor as well for fall. That's my husband. We have a little table. We got that table at Ross. It was really cute. It has a USB and everything, so he has his machine to sleep there. And I just bought this comforter today, so I will be putting that later on. And you're probably guessing and probably wondering, where do you guys sleep? Like, where's your bed? To tell you, look at how my dog is. So yeah, these tiles we picked out ourselves, and majority of the things in the bathroom we picked out ourselves as well. So then come in here, this is a sofa, which I really love the color. As you can see, the fall, I love it. I got these little pillowcases from Shein. I love Shein so much, very affordable, so try to check it out. And then of course we have our famous picture that goes with us everywhere. But yeah, this is the sofa. So this is the IKEA sofa that turns into a bed as well. So that this section right here, you pull it out, you can actually take it out and detach it from the sofa, and it can have extra seating for people. And also we take it out and it becomes our queen size bed as well. This lifts up as well, and we store our pillows in there, our blankets in there, so everything's out of sight, no one can see anything like that. So I really, really love that a lot. I really would like to move it around where I can probably put the sofa on this side and then have the TV on this side right here, and then kind of like maybe put a bed over here, and then have my husband's desk and stuff over here. But my husband doesn't like change. He likes everything the same all the time. Me, I'm not. I'm a person that I like to change things around. I feel like it makes the area more fun again. And it's just like, I don't know, just like all my life I move things around. Of course, that's our fan. We have it on constantly. This is our curtains, which block out any light from outside, which is amazing. Love that. So this becomes a bed, and this is where we sleep and becomes our room and our bedroom. That's why we kind of put this here to basically divide the kitchen dining area with the living room bedroom kind of thing. So I really, really love it. We're happy here. We're truly blessed and thankful, and just grateful for the opportunity that God has given us. And yeah, this is the whole overview of it. And we're just thankful. We're really, really just thankful and grateful. And, it gives us a chance to save up and really invest and really save up to get a house. And It's not easy nowadays, guys. It's really, really tough. So that's my mop, which I love. I have to always mop me. I'm like constantly mopping these floors. Let's move on to the bathroom. In this bathroom, yeah, it used to be part of like the laundry room. So right now it's our bathroom, which I really, really love. And here is our sink. I'm gonna show you from this angle. And we put that mirror up ourselves. We bought that mirror in, I think it's Amazon, which I really love. I'm gonna try to put lights. I want to put these lights up there to make it more vibrant, but I really, really love that. I got that little shelf at Five and Below to put like my skincare, toothpaste, and all that. Just nice and simple, the essentials that we need. The essentials that we need, guys. And then here I just put this towel there for now. I really am gonna put it up here. I just did that today. I went to the store, got that so I can hang our towels, because I'm just like, man, where can I put our towels? I did that myself. I got those shelves at Five and Below and put that up there, and as well I put those up there as well, so it looks really nice. It's perfect for me and my husband. And then of course the shower. Let me show you guys. That's where we put our toothbrush and stuff. But that's our tiles, which I really, really like. Very, very nice. I don't want to show you everything because I have, I'm always washing my underwears by hand, and I don't want to show you guys that. So that is our bathroom, and then this is the view over here. Nice. And then in these drawers, I basically just have cleaning supplies. Here I have like dishes, plates and stuff. Like if we have more than one person come, let's say someone come and visits and we're cooking, then that's where I store everything. But other than that, I keep everything minimal. I just wash dishes, so those are there. Trust me, I hate when that's right there. I do love these Airwick things. This one is like the scent of pumpkin spice, and I have one in the bathroom as well. And then up here, I need to change all this. I want to fix all this, make it more nicer and aesthetic-y. So I'm gonna fix, because I do want to get a microwave and put it up here, because we do not have a microwave. So I really, really need a microwave. And then back here, of course, is my dog's stuff, like her treats and all that good stuff. And then back here, there's a space where I put my broom, my sweeper, my vacuum, all that. So everything has its place, and it has a little area for itself. So yeah, and this is the overview, guys, of everything. And then, of course, this is our little unit of AC. So we are just truly thankful and grateful. I just can't wait to get the shelving there, because I know it's going to look so much nicer. So much, so much, so much nicer. So yeah, guys. So this is my new place. So this is the area that you guys will be looking, my background when I'm filming videos. And this is, of course, the exit. I'm trying to show you this side as well. Just so blessed and thankful. And look at my dog, she's sleeping. I'm about to go take her on a walk as soon as we're done. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this house tour. Overdue, but I finally did it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm so grateful. I hope you guys enjoy my new place. It's smaller, way smaller than the other one we had, but I'm so grateful. I'm happy. And yeah, we're just, in this world we live in, we have to, sometimes you gotta start from low again and build yourself back up. But we're so grateful, and yeah, this is our place. I hope you enjoy, and leave me any comments down below. I will try to leave most of the stuff that I got linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. But other than that, give me other ideas that you think that I could switch, or how I can really make this space like a little area, my beauty space. So yeah, I'm up for ideas, so please leave them in the comments down below. And once again, do not forget to like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you want to be shouted out on my next video. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and like I always say, God bless you.